Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix AMD Adrenalin when it does not open on your Windows computer. The first thing you should always do is restart your PC. After your computer starts again, try opening the software and see if it works. If it still does not open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Look through the list for any process that says AMD or Radeon. When you find one, right-click on it and choose End Task. Do this for all AMD-related processes. This clears anything stuck in the background. Next, try running the software as an administrator. Find the AMD software shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator. This gives the software permission to open properly. If the issue continues, you need to reset the AMD software configuration. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. Type %local app data % and press Enter. You can also copy and paste this into the File Explorer address bar to go directly to the folder. Open the AMD folder, then find the folder named CN. Delete the CN folder only. Restart your computer after deleting it. If AMD Adrenalin still does not open, updating or reinstalling the drivers is the best fix. Download the AMD Cleanup utility and use it to remove the current drivers completely. After that, go to the official AMD website and download the latest driver and Adrenalin software for your graphics card. Install it and restart your PC once more. After completing these steps, AMD Adrenalin should open normally. Thanks for watching.